Looking for the best computer monitors for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 computer monitors that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a computer monitors that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended computer monitors. Number 1 on the list is Samsung Odyssey G7 32-inch. Earning a 5-star rating from Tom's Hardware, the Samsung Odyssey G7 32-inch is the best computer monitor. For gamers, it boasts the strongest curve currently available, 1000 Hz, for incredible immersion, along with speedy gaming numbers. The 240Hz monitor has a 1 millisecond (GTG) response time and put up a 5 milliseconds response time score in our testing, beating some 165Hz screens by 2 milliseconds. In addition, benchmarking showed input lag at 20 milliseconds, a full 6 to 10 milliseconds faster than some 165Hz screens we've tested, including the Dell S3220DGF also on this page. This is also a strong work monitor. Its 32-inch panel offers plenty of height for productivity, like working on long spreadsheets in a way that's easier than on a 32-inch ultra-wide. And at a 2 to 3 foot viewing distance, we don't have any distortion issues with that dramatic curve. Just be sure to bring your own audio because, despite the price, there are no speakers here. No matter what you use the G7 for, you can expect strong image quality backed by 2201 contrast out of the box, as well as accurate DCI-P3 color. Second on the list is LG 27GN950B. With a 1 millisecond (GTG) response time and 144Hz refresh rate, the LG 27GN950B is the best computer monitor for 4K gaming. If you've got the graphics card, ideally one of the best graphics cards, you need to handle 144 frames per second (FPS) at 4K. This monitor will ensure that power doesn't go to waste. In our testing, the monitor showed a 7 milliseconds response time, keeping up with pricier 4K, 144Hz screens like the Asus ROG Swift PG27UQ, and even beating some when it came to input lag. Plus, FreeSync Premium Pro and G-Sync compatibility will fight screen tears for those times when frame rates drop below 48 FPS. Although VI panels are known for their high contrast, this IPS monitor can hold its own, hitting 1034.7 before calibration and 8475.31 with HDR, based on our benchmarks. Those who want the most accurate color may find the sRGB mode too saturated, but the 27GN950B proved accurate when it came to the more colorful DCI-P3 space. Number 3 on the list is MSI Oculux NXG253R. Experts, players and hopefuls rely on the fastest peripherals available to attenuate the delay between deciding on in-game action and when that action happens on screen. 360Hz is the fastest refresh rate PC monitors have today, and the MSI Oculux NXG253R is the fastest of them all. Yes, the NXG253R is the fastest display we've ever tested, making it the best computer monitor for experts you can buy. The NXG253R outperformed other 360Hz monitors by 1 to 3 milliseconds, depending on the rival screen, in our absolute input lag test. It also matched all its 360Hz rivals in our response time test with a 3 millisecond score. The monitor also fights screen tears down to a 1 Hz refresh rate with G-Sync and includes the NVIDIA Reflex Latency Analyzer to help fine-tune your expert's performance further. You don't get DCI-P3 color, but sRGB color reproduction is accurate with an error of just 2.27 dB before calibration. Contrast is also impressive for an IPS panel, 1190.61, and, thanks to a variable backlight, massive with HDR content, 7972.51. Number 4 on the list is Samsung UR59C. If you want an affordable screen with many pixels, the Samsung UR59C is the best budget 4K monitor for you. The VI panel delivers contrast, 2590.51 after calibration, making everything from photos to videos to games look better. This is clearly not a high-end gaming monitor with a 60Hz refresh rate, 4 milliseconds, GTG, response, and no FreeSync or G-Sync. But casual gamers can make do, thanks to the combination of high pixel density and high contrast, keeping games looking realistic. Curves are generally more effective on ultra-wide screens, but the UR59CS1500R curvature was effective and beneficial for this 32-incher, such as when multitasking with multiple windows. And if you don't mind calibrating, you can get rid of the UR59C pesky color errors, which, unfortunately, were visible out of the box. Our calibration settings reduced the error from 4.3 to 0.9 to. Number 5 on the list is Aorus F048U 4K OLED. Making HDR pop over SDR is all about contrast, and for the ultimate contrast, there's nothing better than OLED. The Aorus F048U's massive OLED panel not only delivers immeasurably high contrast, but we recorded 107.7% coverage of the DCI-P3 color space and near-flawless grayscale tracking. As a result, you get a rich image that's also accurate out of the box. However, it's not as bright as a premium LCD, 399 nits with HDR, according to our testing. Aorus's OLED monitor is fit for high-speed HDR gaming on both PCs and consoles, thanks to DisplayPort 1.4 with Display Stream Compression, DSC, and HDMI 2.1, respectively. The monitor held its own against 120Hz and 144Hz rivals in our speed tests, only falling 4 milliseconds behind its OLED gaming rival, the Alienware AW5520QF. Unfortunately, you don't get Dolby Vision or support for the 50p and 24p TV formats, but the monitor has two 15W speakers and one 20W speaker for outstanding audio quality. Just now is a list of 5 best computer monitors that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.